We're back now on Ag Day with a check of weather. Mike, Friday we talked about a big storm system moving across the country this week. Is that still the case?
Yeah, it really is. We're starting to see that already in the west with a good trough on the jet stream in the Rockies, and you can see that there are a couple pieces of energy. One is moving through the northern plains right now, but the main piece of energy is going to dive through the southern part of this trough on Monday, and it is a slow mover, which means it's going to have tons of Gulf moisture once again, and that will continue to pull up the moisture. You can see how slow it moves. By Friday, it finally reaches the eastern seaboard. Saturday, then, it's off the northeast coast with a ridge poking its way back into the central parts of the country. And believe it or not, the setup is there for yet another strong trough to slowly move from west to east the following week. So we really are almost getting into a pattern here where we have a very wet system for the middle of every week moving through the middle of the country from west to east. So let's check things out then. Temperatures this week, because of that trough out west, that's going to pull down some cold air behind it. So we'll go below normal from Minnesota down to western Texas and all the way to the Pacific seaboard. And you can see in the middle of the country, you're going to warm up for a couple of days, then see the cold air come back. So we're going to go near normal from the northeast, Great Lakes, Ohio Valley down into most of Texas, and in the southeast from the Tennessee Valley on southeastward, probably above normal temperatures overall for this coming week. As far as precipitation this week, because of that system and because of the fact it's going to draw up a lot of Gulf moisture, we'll see above normal amounts of rain from eastern Texas, eastern Kansas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma, and then everybody throughout the Mississippi River Valley from Alabama all the way into the eastern Great Lakes. So a large area of above normal once again, the same areas that got it last week. Below normal from West Texas through the Four Corner region, most of Nevada, most of California. Not good news. Most of that area is on the dry side, if not in a severe drought right now. Above normal also in the Pacific Northwest. Here's the 90-day outlook for temperatures then. This basically takes us on through November, December, and January for most of the winter then. From the northwest, northern Rockies, across most of the plains except for Texas and Louisiana, and then on up into the Ohio Valley, Great Lakes. Below normal temperatures are expected. Near normal up and down the eastern seaboard, Gulf Coast. Above normal then South Texas into southern California. Precipitation over the next 90 days. Unfortunately, the same area we just showed you from the Mississippi Valley on to the Great Lakes, Gulf Coast area above normal. Above normal also northern Rockies, and then below normal from West Texas back into southern California. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Fresno, California, partly sunny, breezy, and cool today. High temperature around 65 degrees. Lubbock, Texas, mostly cloudy. Could be a shower around. High temperature of 72. And finally, we'll head to London, Kentucky. Sunny and pleasantly cool. High of 62.
Still to come, it's a movie the producers hope will take the country by storm while educating the public about real life on the farm. And securing a job after college can be a job of its own. We'll meet some college students who hope experience pays off literally, and the country is next.